Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to work in Powtoon and create amazing animated presentations and videos. So first of all we need to find out our Powtoon website www.powtoon.com. So let's go then. It's a website of Powtoon and we need to log in. I will log in with my Google account. Yeah, with my Google. So here it is. It's my Google account. You can also log in through your Google account and then work in this great app. So here it is. Here this website and its homepage. You can find out different videos here and then templates ready-made. Of course, logging in the free, but you can find some templates which are pro. Don't worry, and there are a lot of free templates also. But if you want, you can also create your presentation. First of all, you need to click the button blank here, and then you can choose these pages, vertical, square, or horizontal. I will choose horizontal page because it's easier and more comfortable to work. So it's loading. Yeah. Yes, here we are. Here, as you see, different kind of look for your appearance, for your tone. I will choose cartoon, for example. You can choose another one also. As you see, it's look like to PowerPoint, but it's a bit different. So in this page, first of all, I would like to choose some intros. Here's the ready-made intros. You can choose any of them. They are amazing here, as you see. Yeah, you see? Here also, again, there is some pro, but you can choose free one. For example, I will choose that one. And you can also edit it, modify it as you wish. For example, I will first of all write title. Let's take it as its educational adjectives. Okay. For more title, let's say comparative adjectives. So, you ready, yeah? Okay, and you can also change effects here by clicking the item. You will see here buttons and I will click setting and I will choose effects. So as you wish, I will choose up. And I would like to add hand. I like it. So here it is, ready. And you can, as you see here, you can see the time for every item, for every effect. I would like to appear this hand earlier, for example. Or you can choose another items also. Let's take them, appear. Okay, back. Yeah, I would like also them appear earlier. Yeah, that one is good. Let's see now what is done. Okay. Great. Good job. Yeah, it's perfect. Now I would like to create another one. It's as you see another page and here we need background. Yeah, background here. We can find any ready-made background. I need educational. Yeah, here. It's more suitable for our context. So again, you can choose any one. For example, this one. Great. So then I would like to add text. You will click button text and add here some title. Sorry, comparative uh, mhm, adjectives. Okay. Again, you can choose effect or another thing. Right now, I would like to change its place. Yeah, that's ready one. So then I would like to add some characters here. Again, here you can pick one. So I would like to choose these characters. So as you see here, different kind of characters, and you can choose anyone. And the great thing is you can choose anyone with different emotions. You see, here you can find angry, sad, typing, thinking, hello, happy, idea. That's great, yeah? I will choose idea. Okay, she is ready. Okay, now uh, let's add some props. You can add some props also here. You can search also. Let's choose box. Now, let's choose cake. Yeah, birthday cake. I love biscuits. You see, you can see here different cakes, presents. Let's choose this one maybe. That one more visible, yeah? Or this one. Yeah, this one is more pretty. This one we will delete. Yeah, that's all. So, and as you see, in every effect you have setting. I will choose setting, and I would like to add this AB effect. As it's comparative, I will make it bigger. That's great. So then, let's see now what will be. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's amazing. So now I would like to add text again. I don't need cake. Yeah. So add our topic comparative, yeah? Big, bigger. I would like to change fact. Yeah, this is better. Right, yeah? Mm-hmm. Okay, I think it's in the right place. Yeah. Maybe we will show it earlier. Yeah, that's good. And now let's see from the beginning. Bread of adjectives. Our big cake. Big, bigger. Yes, that's great. So, Powtoon is great because you can add also here voice or videos, even pictures. Let's add some voice. So you will upload it. I beforehand I recorded my voice for this Powtoon, so I will download it from my um, computer. Okay. Yeah. You can choose the button here, entire Powtoon or current slides. I would like to make for current, only for one slide. Yeah, that's ready. And by the way, you can also add music here. Okay, again, you will upload it. Just for example, this one. I don't have another one right now. Okay, we can also add another music. Let's see our music. It's not added yet. One more time. So I added it here. Yeah. So I can add from here, not from my PC. Yeah, now. Yes, now it is added. You see, we have now our voice and the music, and I would like to play it together in one slide, but I would like to make louder and lower the music. I think that's enough. Yeah, yeah, and play it together.
Hello, everybody. Today we will learn adjectives, especially.
That's good. And here I think the time is not enough, so I will add more time here. 12 seconds. That's enough, I think. Now we will see how it will work. Let's go.
Hello, everybody. Today we will learn adjectives, especially comparative adjectives. So let's begin.
Yeah.
What they do, I just wanna be with you.
That's amazing, yeah. In the second slide, again, you can add your voice by recording, yeah, and include today's presentation. So, my dear, that's all. It's not difficult. Just you need to log in and create your amazing videos. You can save it to your page. And you can also share the link here, or you can publish it. You can download it through YouTube. First of all, you need to publish it in the YouTube. I think it's not difficult, yeah, to download videos from YouTube. So I will use my account. Okay, that's a title. Comparative adjectives, yeah. And you can add some descriptions if you want. And next. So, upload. Yeah, it's successfully uploaded. That's great. Now, and we can check it. We should wait, yeah. But it will take some time. We cannot wait. So then after it has been uploaded, you can download it for yourself for your laptop and use it. So that's all, my dears. Thank you for your attention. I think it was helpful for you and you will create and use it in your future lessons. That's all. Bye bye.